Hello all, this is G.S. Haripurnima, final year Civil Department, Sona College of Technology. When we say Sona College of Technology, I would like to mention something about this institution. This institution always gives solution. During this lockdown, a question was raised. What are students going to do during this lockdown? How are they going to manage their studies? The solution was given, that is, by online tools. They are Blackboard, LCS, etc. And we too had many guest lectures by the resource persons. And now there is a question, how the people are going to do lab? And here is the solution, that is the virtual lab. Now I would like to say how useful it is for us. Here I am explaining how to access the virtual lab using internet. Using virtual lab is very easy. First, what you have to do is you have to browse the link vlab.co.in to access the virtual lab portal, and then this page will be shown. And at the bottom of the page you will be having broad areas of virtual lab. In that you can select your department, and mine is civil engineering, and I'll get into this. And there you can see many labs, and what lab you have to perform, you have to select that lab, and that is the environmental engineering lab. In that you will be having introduction, list of experiments, target audience, course alignment. Now we'll see what are the experiments that are listed. Here are a list of experiments, and in this now the experiment which I am gonna perform is determination of pH. After getting into this experiment, you'll get to know the aim, that is to determine the pH value of the given solution using pH meter, and then the theory is also given, and the pre-test. Pre-test is that which is the test we are gonna attend before doing a lab, and I'll try to attend these answers. The pH of pure water at 25 degrees Celsius is 7. And what is the pH of acidic solution? It is less than 0. And then what happened to the pH of a solution if a little acid is added to it? The pH get decreased. Which of the following is acidic in nature? Vinegar is acidic in nature. And which of the following has high pH value? KOH. Okay, now let me submit the quiz. Okay. You can also answer the quiz, and you can get the answers, let know. And procedure. Next, you can also learn the procedures of the experiment you're gonna do. These are the procedures you can learn to it. And then now we'll do the simulation test. Yeah, this page will be appearing to you, and you have to click this to start up the experiment. And here you have to select, okay, I'm selecting sewage water. Calibration of pH meter. The first step is you have to use distilled water, and you have to fill it and wash. You have to follow the instruction given by the virtual lab. You have to follow as the arrow mark shown. The arrow mark will be shown. You have to just follow the steps line by line. It is very useful since the quiz is also given in this. When we are doing the procedures, you come to understand what is happening, and so this is really very useful in gaining knowledge. Actually, it is not some animation, it is an experiment that is done by me. Now we'll determine the pH value of the sample. Now we are gonna clean the electrode with the distilled water and dry it using the tissue paper. What is the neutral value of the pH scale? It is equal to 7. Okay. And now we have to dip the combined electrode in the solution. This helps to determine its pH value. So the pH value is found for the sewage water, that is 5.3. pH, it is alkaline. That's all about the experiment and the stimulation test. Now I'll go to the post test. This post test is something which is done after doing the experiment. So this, what is the H plus ion concentration in a pure water? Buffers a mixture of weak acid and their conjunctive base. Okay. As the acid increase, the acid will be more weaker, I guess, more weaker. What is the pH of normal pH of a blood is 7.0, and which of the following has the least pH value? HCl has the most least. This is all about virtual lab. You can get to know the aim of the experiment you're going to do, the theory, the pre-test, the procedures, and the stimulation test, that is how we are going to do in the virtual thing, and the post-test. You can also use reference, and in that reference you'll get what are the things, what are the code books used, and what are the books used referred for this. This is all about using this virtual lab tool. It is very useful, and thanks for our college for introducing us these many online tools and making this lockdown a very useful one. Thank you.